Welcome to online lecture of Mumbai International School and Junior College. This lecture is for class 4, subject Maths, topic Number Book, part 4. Children, in part 1, that is digit, we have studied about how the numbers are positioned in units, tens, hundreds, thousands and 10,000s place. In part 2, that is expansion, we have studied how to expand a number. In part 3, that is place value, we have studied how to find the place value of any digit in a number. Children, in today's lecture, we will study the last part of our chapter, that is smaller number and bigger number. So let us start. Let us talk about comparing numbers. Any 3-digit number is bigger than any 2-digit number. For example, here 563 is a 3-digit number and 89 is a 2-digit number. Therefore, the 3-digit number, that is 563, is bigger than the 2-digit number, that is 89. And if both numbers have 3 digits, then the one with bigger hundreds digit is bigger. For example, here 358 and 651 both are 3-digit numbers. So, to find which number is a bigger number and which number is a smaller number, we will compare the digits which are at the hundreds place in both the numbers. In 358, 3 is at the hundreds place, and in 651, 6 is at the hundreds place. Children, which is the bigger number, 3 or 6? Yes, 6. So it means 651 is the bigger number. Any 3-digit number is smaller than any 4-digit number. For example, here 831 is a 3-digit number and 6234 is a 4-digit number. Therefore, the 3-digit number, that is 831, is smaller than the 4-digit number, that is 6234. And if both numbers have 4 digits, then the one with the bigger thousands digit is bigger. For example, here 4093 and 8642 both are 4-digit numbers. So, to find which number is a bigger number and which number is a smaller number, we'll compare the digits which are at the thousands place in both the numbers. In 4093, 4 is at the thousands place, and in 8642, 8 is at the thousands place. Children, which is the bigger number, 4 or 8? Yes, 8. So it means 8642 is the bigger number. If the thousands digits are equal, we'll compare the hundreds digits. If those are also equal, we'll compare the tens digits. If those are also equal, look at the units digits are at the thousands place in both the number. In both the numbers, 7 is at the thousands place. So now, we'll compare the digits which are at the hundreds place. In both the numbers, 8 is at the hundreds place. So now, we'll compare the digits which are at the tens place. In both the number, 6 is at the tens place. So now, we'll compare the digits which are at the units place. In 7,865, 5 is at the units place. And in 7,862, 2 is at the units place. So children, which is the bigger number? 5 or 2? Yes, 5. So it means 7,865 is the bigger number. Children, let's do some exercise. Put the correct sign. Greater than sign or smaller than sign. 8,974 box 4,625. Children, both the numbers are 4-digit number. So to identify which is the bigger number, we'll compare the digits which are at the thousands place in both the numbers. In 8,974, 8 is at the thousands place. And in 4,625, 4 is at the thousands place. So children, which is the bigger number? 8 or 4? Yes, 8. So it means 8,974 is the bigger number. And 4,625 is the smaller number. So we'll put greater than sign. Next, 5,603 box 5,629. Children, both the numbers are 4-digit number. To identify which is the bigger number, we'll compare the digits which are at the thousands place in both the numbers. In both the numbers, 5 is at the thousands place. So now, we'll compare the digits which are at the hundreds place. In both the numbers, 6 is at the hundreds place. So now, we'll compare the digits which are at the tens place. In 5,603, 0 is at the tens place. And in 5,629, 2 is at the tens place. So children, which is the bigger number? 0 or 2? Yes, 2. So it means 5,629 is the bigger number. And 5,603 is the smaller number. So we'll put smaller than sign. It means 5,603 is smaller than 5,629. So this was all about your chapter number work.